Use the trees and these cars as cover.
I
Dead.
got tunnel vision.
One of the guys I knocked out is dead.
8 left, including us.
So it's 4 up. And some of them.
There's another one behind you. Do you see him, Darian?
Yeah, I do.
I'm gonna go prone.
Are we shooting him?
Yes. He's gonna die to
Where?
the player
Close
area.
I see another one. Blue shirt. To our right.
Let him
East,
die to
east.
the player area.
Just get behind the tree.
Yeah, by the UAZ.
He got out.
Left. Right there.
Dead.
5 left. 2 other than you guys. One's in that UAZ.
Okay. I'm watching anyone coming in for the area.
There's a drop.
He went to the yellow house.
Yep.
There's somebody else up.
Was there anyone behind that that little
Did you?
van?
Is that a bush on your right, Darian? Oh yeah, that's a bush. That scared the shit out of me.
Where? Where?
Left. He's left on the cliffside.
No.
Oh
I'm
shit.
trying to get behind the tree. Let me behind.
Go go. Oh, he's getting me. He's getting me. I'm gonna hold on. Sorry.
I got
I'm gonna
hit.
be right back.
Where? Oh, of course.
He's on
I
the
went the wrong
cliffside
way.
in the
Oh.
rock.
Watch out.
I can't get you. I can't get you.
He's on the cliff behind the rocks.
Right there. You see him. Red.
Forget it.
red
Forget it.
video
Forget
rock.
it. Forget it. Go for the yellow shack.
He's gonna just.
Are you
Just run,
shooting
just
at
gonna
me?
keep-
Just forget him.
Stand up
Just
and run,
forget-
Destiny.
Just run.
He's
just
not
run.
in the area. He's not in the area.
Maybe.
There's
Oh,
a guy.
he's getting me.
On the hill, you saw him.
I'm going behind this house. I don't care.
Remember,
if
there's
it's
No,
one
no,
in the
Destiny,
house.
Destiny,
To your right,
Destiny.
to your right, to your right. To your right.
This.
There's a guy. He's in the bush or a tree. I don't know. But there's a tree. Yeah, you see him.
Destiny, help me shoot this guy.
I'm sorry. I don't know where.
He's in the bush.
Up here?
There's also one in the house. Don't forget that, Destiny.
All right.
Why don't you watch the house or the door?
Yeah, he's still in the bush. How is he not dead?
He's outside player area. He's running in.
He's rushing.
I don't see him.
He's on
He's
the left
going-
side, going on the left
Destiny,
side
he's
of the
gonna
house,
be
I
coming
think.
right in front of you.
Probably gonna run in the house. Okay, last one's in the house.
Yeah,
I
he's
see him.
by
I
that
see him. I
door.
see him.
He's got a shotgun. He's got a shotgun. Do you have a... Come on.
GG!
push him dinner.
Oh, good job, Darian.
Good job, guys. Solid plays.